YouTube, this is Greg ME 2005, and today I'm going to do a review on the Harbor Freight Chicago Electric Recirculating Saw, the one that rotates around. Okay, we got a lock switch over here. You can rotate that. It'll go like that. And we got one that goes like that. You can do a different like that. So, best thing for us to do today on the example is we're going to carve a pumpkin with it. This is my version of carving a pumpkin. This is Greg ME 2005. Here we go, guys. Let's see. All right, let me flip this over like that. There we go, guys. Let me flip this around like this. Comes in handy. There we go. Just like that. I'm going to take this over here. Alright guys, let's take this hood of this pumpkin off. We're going to make a happy face on it. And I don't want to scare the Halloweeners too much. Let's pick a good side for that. I see this side, guys. Alright, let me get a, there we go, let me get a face eye in here. There we go. Knock that puppy out. Let's get the next eyeball up there, guys. Ready? All right. Let's do a cut right. Knock that eyeball out. Oh boy. One of those things. There we go, guys. Let's make the nose now. Put it right there. All right. Get that nose popped out. This is my favorite part, guys, making the mouth. I think I'm just going to go in like this. And I'm just going to make it smile. Make the pumpkin smile so it's not too scary for the kids. There we go. Here we go, guys. That's how you carve a pumpkin for Halloween with the Chicago Electric Harbor Freight Recirculating Saw that has the twist to it. All right, guys. This is Greg ME 2005. If you guys like what you see, subscribe to my channel for more.